it's okay. All right, here we go. This is what we're going to be doing today. Number 1, finish finding quotes that will shed light on your claim. Number 2, writing information in the commentary boxes on your handout. Then, once you have completed the paragraphs 1, 2, and 3 pages, fill out the intro page. So this is broadly what we're doing today. Some of you may have already started your intro page the other day, but I want you to focus on finishing finding your quotes and then filling out your paragraph pages. So if you would look at the essay planner, here's my example. Again, what we did on Friday is we filled out this first page, which was kind of an overview of what our paper was going to be about. Then for each one of these boxes, there is a page to fill out. So for the intro paragraph, there's a page. For paragraph 1, etc. So we're going to look at my paragraph 3 page. So there you see I have copy and pasted my topic sentence from that first page into this first box. Then I found a quote that deals with needing more than information and needing to be able to think creatively and critically. So I wrote down from that Chinese article, I wrote down critical thinking is shunned in favor of rote memorization. So once I found that quote, I'm going to, in this box, I'm going to re-say what is said in the quote in my own words. So I say, though Shanghai, China has good test scores, they focus entirely on factual information rather than on critical thinking. Basically just stating in my own words. And then in the box below that, I explain how this helps me think about my topic sentence. So I write, cramming one's brains full of facts is not necessarily useful in a democracy. Being able to use those facts critically and creatively is much more conducive to building a great nation. We cannot abandon critical thinking for mere facts that can be measured on a test. All right? So that is how you would fill out these body paragraph pages. You have some folks, like somebody is saying in their topic sentence that school is busy work and it's not really learning. All right? So they could, in this quote, they could quote the Afghan Girl articles when it says that the parents say the girl should go to school even though they're killed. And then they can say right here what that means in their own words. And then in the commentary they could say, this is the way the Afghan girls feel and their parents. I don't feel like I would go to school even though I was killed, even though I could be killed, because school's busy work. And who wants to get killed for busy work? All right? So your quote doesn't necessarily need to support the topic sentence, but it should be able to help you explain it in more detail. All right? Any questions there? All right, so that is what you're going to do. What I'd like you to do today is to complete the body paragraph pages, all right? Again, you need at least 4 quotes. If you fit those 4 quotes in 2 paragraphs, you do not have to do a graphic organizer over your 3rd paragraph. If you're not using quotes, if you're just going to write it off the top of your head, write it off of your experiences, you do not need to fill out the graphic organizer for that paragraph. If you complete that and you want to work on your introduction, I do have a little instructions for writing your introduction that might give you some pointers. All right. There you go. Have